Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial. Today we'll do some HTML coding as we have promised, and we have gone through lots of basics things and all. So now time has come to do some few basics things of HTML coding and all. I have discussed few basics tags and all in my previous video. So now we'll do some coding. Okay, so first, for doing some code we need to create a folder. Okay, it's better to create a folder. So go to the desktop in anywhere, and just go to the new and make a folder like ht sorry h oh, my caps lock is on, I think html. Okay, so this is our folder. Now simply open up notepad. Here notepad I have. Now this is our notepad. Okay, now just do some coding. Okay, this is the doc type HTML. I have discussed all the about of doc type HTML and all. This is a basic architecture I am making right now. Okay, so this is a basic architecture. So right now we are going to implement something like paragraph tag, heading tag, and few more basics things. Okay, so just go through the h1 tag. Okay, this is the heading 1. Close the tag. Obviously do not forget to close the tag. Okay, it's a very important thing that if you ever forget like closing any kind of tag, it will make a problem because HTML don't throw any kind of error. Okay, so be careful about that. Okay, sorry. Okay, heading 3. Okay, I'm just copy pasting all this thing. Same thing, just going to change few. Okay, now this is heading 4, this is heading 5, this is heading 6. Now we have to close in the same way. Heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay, now we will go, this is a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph tag. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to save it first. Okay, just press Ctrl S or go to the file and save as, anything what you like. Go to the desktop and HTML is a folder, and give any kind of name like demo1.html. give any kind of file name, but don't forget to provide the .html extent. Okay, don't forget to provide the .html extension. Okay, be careful about that, and save it, make the changes as save as types as all files. Okay, and just save it. Okay, then let's go to our HTML folder. Now here it's our file, just double click it. Bam, now this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and this is a paragraph tag. Now few more things as I have promised, as like suppose paragraph tag, this is a paragraph and it will have a break. Now what is this break? Okay, there is a tag called br. Okay, br. This br tag used to break. Okay, used to break anything. Like if I save it and if I turn back to my browser, yeah, this is a paragraph and it will have a break. Now see my code. This is a paragraph and it will have a now br tag I have provided here, right? This is a br tag I have provided here, and after that the break sentence I have, like string I have written. Okay, break the word I have written. Okay, so it breaks the particular thing into a separate line. This is the working process of br tag. Now another tag, let's suppose this is the heading tags and I want to have a line. So what I do, I'll give a hr, just save it and refresh the browser. Yes, we have a line. This particular line is to known as horizontal line. Okay, this is a hr tag, this is a horizontal line. Okay, so this is all for today. Next day we'll go through few more basics things like link, image src, and I will discuss all those things. Okay, don't need to think. Thanks for watching. Do like, do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for with us and be with us. Thank you.